The following BLTV program is brought to you by O'Flaherty Law. Please enjoy.
Welcome to Learn About Law. My name is Kevin O'Flaherty from O'Flaherty Law. Today we're going to talk about how assets are divided in an Illinois divorce. So Illinois is an equitable property state, which is contrasted with a community property state. In a community property state, all of the marital assets are divided equally. In an equitable property state like Illinois, courts look at a number of factors to determine how assets should be divided fairly. Those factors include contribution of each spouse to the acquisition of the assets. And it's important to note that contribution as a homemaker counts as a contribution as well. The duration of the marriage, the economic situation and earning prospects of each spouse, the allocation of parenting time and responsibility. So who's going to be responsible for doing most of the heavy lifting and raising the children? They may get more of the assets. And the tax consequences of asset division. There are other factors as well, but those are the big ones. So courts look at those factors in determining how to divide up marital assets. And one of the key things that they have to do is decide which assets are going to be marital assets and which are non-marital. The marital estate are the assets that are subject to division between the parties. Those are marital assets. Non-marital assets are the private property of one spouse or the other that isn't subject to division. That's just their property. So the rule of thumb is that all assets acquired after the marriage are marital assets, but there are some exceptions to that rule. Let's talk about some of the things that count as non-marital assets as long as they're kept separate from marital assets. One thing that is a non-marital asset is property that's acquired by a gift or an inheritance. Again, as long as that's kept separate and not commingled with marital assets, the spouse that got the gift or inheritance doesn't have to divide that up in the divorce. Property acquired after a legal separation is a non-marital asset. And then property acquired before the marriage, again, as long as it's kept separate for the duration of the marriage. One last thing of note, courts are prohibited from considering the party's conduct or misconduct in determining how to divide up the assets. So it's not a situation where if one of the spouses cheated on the other, they're going to suffer as far as being penalized in the asset division of the divorce. So we have lots of articles and videos at learn-about-law.com about all aspects of divorce and nearly every other area of law, so please check that out. If you have any questions, please leave us a comment on either our YouTube channel or on our website, and we'll try to respond as best we can. Thanks so much for listening.
Thanks so much for watching our video. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Click the subscribe button for new videos every week and download and review us on iTunes. Visit learn-about-law.com for other legal-related articles and videos. Visit our business podcast and video blog, seizeyourbusiness.com, and visit Making Real Estate Fun for real estate videos and podcasts. Call us at 630-324-6666 for a free consultation.